In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads in Zoho CRM. Importing leads into Zoho CRM is a crucial step in managing your business contacts efficiently, and I'm here to guide you through this process. Let's start by preparing your data file. Make sure your file is in a format that Zoho CRM supports, such as CSV, XLS, or XLSX. It's essential that the first row in your file contains clear headers that correspond directly to your CRM fields. These headers might include labels like first name, last name, email, phone, and lead source. Also, take a moment to clean up your data. This means removing any duplicate entries, fixing format issues, particularly dates, which should follow the MMM format, and ensuring that your data values align with your Zoho CRM pick lists. Keep in mind the limits. XLS or XLSX files can handle up to 5,000 records per batch, while CSV files can support larger batches based on your specific plan. Now, let's go ahead and start the import process. Navigate to the Leads module in your Zoho CRM dashboard and look towards the top right corner for the menu. Click on it, and you'll find an option labeled Import. Sometimes it might read as Import Leads. Select this option. You can then either drag and drop your prepared file into the designated area or browse your files to upload it manually. Once your file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. In the next step, we'll configure the import settings. You'll need to choose your import action. You can add new leads, update existing ones, or opt for both, which will automatically update any matched records. As part of this process, it's important to select a matching field for handling duplicates. Commonly, fields such as email or record ID are used. Additionally, you have several options that you can enable based on your needs. You might choose to skip updates to empty fields, assign default owners to new leads, trigger workflows, add tags, or require manual approval for the import in the Leads module. Once you've configured your settings, it's time to map your fields. Zoho CRM typically auto-maps headers, but it's crucial to verify each one to ensure accuracy. If there are any missing fields, you can manually map those or even create new fields on the fly if necessary. Remember, if any mandatory fields like last name are blank, you can set default values to fill them in as required. Finally, review all your settings one more time and click Finish to complete the import. Zoho CRM will begin importing your records, and you'll be able to track the progress with a handy progress bar. Once the import is done, you'll receive a confirmation notification, and there you have it. Importing leads into Zoho CRM can be a breeze when you follow these steps. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.